The Metta Sutta, also known as the Karaniya Metta Sutta, is a discourse on loving-kindness found in the Pali Canon. According to the commentaries, the background story of the Metta Sutta recounts that a group of 500 monks was sent by the Buddha to meditate in a forest. Villagers set up 500 tents at the base of trees in the forest for the monks to reside in. However, the monks were harassed day and night by tree devas, who resented their presence. This constant disturbance instilled fear in the monks, rendering them unable to meditate. In search of assistance, the monks approached the Buddha. He taught them the Metta Sutta, which emphasizes the cultivation of loving-kindness. By practicing this teaching, the monks were able to dispel the fear and negative energy emanating from the devas, transforming their hostile environment into one of peace and harmony. By the end of that rainy season, all 500 monks attained arahantship. Metta Sutta. English translation by Mahathera Dhammananda. He who is skilled in doing good and who wishes to attain that state of calm should be able, upright, perfectly upright, obedient, gentle, and humble, contented, easily looked after, with few duties, simple in livelihood, controlled in senses, discreet, not impudent, not greedily attached to families. He should not commit any slight wrong, so that otherwise men might find fault in him. May all beings be happy and safe. May their hearts be wholesome. Whatsoever living beings there are, feeble or strong, long, stout or medium, short, small or large, seen or unseen, those dwelling far or near, those who are born and those who are to be born. May all beings, without exception, be happy-minded. Let not one deceive another nor despise any person whatsoever in any place, in anger or ill will. Let him not wish any harm to another, just as a mother would protect her only child at the risk of her own life. Even so let him cultivate a boundless heart towards all beings. Let thoughts of boundless love pervade the whole world, above, below, and across, without any obstruction, without any hatred, without any enmity. Whether he stands, walks, sits, or lies down, as long as he is awake, he should develop this mindfulness. This, they say, is the highest conduct here. Not falling into error. Virtuous and endowed with insight, he discards attachment to sensuous desires. Truly, he does not come again, to be conceived in a womb.